A ZPL file speaks directly to Zebra thermal barcode printers, containing label design commands written in Zebra programming language. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you design, print, or debug these label programming files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical ZPL data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. ZPL files contain Zebra programming language commands used to design and print barcode labels on Zebra thermal printers. They define label layouts including text fields, barcodes graphics, and formatting instructions sent directly to the printer for label production. ZPL files are plain text command files using the XA_start and XZ_end command structure. They contain field origin commands, xiao_fo barcode generators, xiao_bc and font definitions, xiao_cf. The printer interprets commands sequentially to render each label element at specified coordinates. Most users will find that Zebra Designer developed by Zebra Technologies is the best tool for ZPL. Viewing this file correctly requires specialized software that ignores the Windows association data. Windows cannot interpret configuration logic, so changes should be done only with proper understanding. To start the process, right-click your ZPL file and select Open With. If you have Zebra Designer installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. If you are still having trouble opening the ZPL file, do not worry. Due to the specificity of the ZPL format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, previewing labels. Use Labelary's free online ZPL viewer at labelary.com, viewer, HTML, to paste your ZPL code and instantly preview the rendered label output. This allows you to verify label layout barcodes and text positioning before sending to a physical Zebra printer. Next, printing labels. Connect your Zebra printer via USB or network and send the ZPL file directly using the Windows command prompt with the copy command to the printer port. Alternatively, use Zebra's Zebra Designer software to load, edit, and print ZPL label designs with a graphical interface. Finally, debugging print issues. If labels print incorrectly, check barcode type specifications and field origin coordinates in your ZPL code. Use the Zebra printer's built-in diagnostic mode by sending wwc command to print a configuration label, showing current printer settings and firmware version. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.